Hello मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, welcome you all once again in my new video. So in this video we are going to learn a very important topic where most of the children get confused. So here I'm going to tell you a very simple trick to find out whether a given number is a prime or composite. Okay, so I'm going to explain you this method in two parts. So first of all, let's begin part 1. So in part 1, suppose you have been given any number n. For this n number, you have to check whether this n number is a prime or not. So what you will do, you will write n plus 1 and n minus 1. Okay, so whatever the given number, suppose a number is 5. So what you will do, 5 plus 1 and 5 minus 1. So after that, you do check the divisibility of these two numbers by 3. So n plus 1 divided by 3, n minus 1 divided by 3. So if any one is yes, so the number can be a prime number. I'm going to explain you with one example. Fine. And if both answers are no, is not a prime number. Means what? That if you divide n plus 1 by 3 and it is divisible, so answer will be yes. And n minus 1 is divisible, or it is not divisible, or it can be a no. So either any one answer is yes. Out of this n plus 1, n minus 1, any one number is divisible by 3. So your given number can be a prime number. So let's understand this with one example. Let's take one example of 73. Suppose we have to check 73 is a prime number or not. So by this part 1, what we have to do? We have to do 73 plus 1, 73 minus 1. That means this is 74 and this is 72. Now what you will do? You will divide both the numbers by 3. So you check this, 3 2 times 6 and 3 4 times. You got the answer? Yes. And whether it will be yes or no does not matter, because any one answer is yes. That means 73 can be a prime number. Fine. Another example, let's say for 147. Now if you want to check for 147, so simple way, what we will do, 147 plus 1, 147 minus 1. So it is 148 and 146. Now you check by 3 both. So 3 divisibility you all know, children. Add all the digit and check by 3. So 8 plus 4, 12 and 13, it is a no. And 6 plus 4, 10 and 11, so it is also a no. So in both cases we got no. So that means 147 is not a prime number, or what we can say, it is a composite number. Now I hope this first part is clear. There is one challenge for you. Pause the video right now and answer this question. Identify which can be a prime number. 1383, 785, 73, 7099, 7999, 1009. So by using the method which we have discussed just now, write the answer in the comment box. So now children, we are on part 2. So here, let's say for, you have to check whether 73 is a prime number or not. So what we will do, children, you know the square numbers. Okay, so you have to find out 73 comes under which two square numbers. So I'll tell you, it will come under 8 square 64 and 9 square 81. So 73 comes under in between 64 and 81. So this everybody knows and everybody can calculate also. So you have to remember square numbers, children. This is going to help you a lot and saves your time. So now you know this 73 is going to lie between these two numbers. So what you will take, you will choose the bigger number and now write all the prime numbers comes to 9. That is 2, 3, 5 and 7. You will not write 9 because even 9 is not a prime number. So less than 9 you have to write all the prime numbers only. Now we are going to check. So by 2 it will not go, because we know prime numbers never end with the digit 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. So it will surely not go by 2. And 3 divisibility we all know, 7. You add the digit 7 plus 3, 10 will not go by 3. And by 5 We know the divisibility. The number will divisible by 5 if the end digit is 0 or 5. So 5 is also not going. And it's clearly visible that it will not go by 7 also. So you only have to check by 2357. So now we can write 73 is surely a prime number. Let's take a few more examples, say for 127. Now if you have to check for 127, again you should know that 127 is coming in between which two square numbers. So it is 11 square means 121 and 12 square 144. This everybody has to remember, children. Again and again I'm telling you have to learn the squares. So 127 is coming between these two. So as I told you earlier, you have to take the bigger number and now write all the prime numbers less than 12. So it is again 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Start checking. It will not go by 2 as the end digit is not even. It will not go by 3. Check 3 4 times 12 and it's by adding the digit also it's not going. 5 surely it will not go. You check by 7. There is a divisibility of 7 also, children. See, divisibility by 7. You first step what you do, double the last digit. Secondly, what you will do, subtract that digit from remaining numbers. It is 7 2 times 14 and 12 minus 14, it's not possible at all, so it will not go by 7 also. And by 11, you know, sum of alternate numbers, the difference should be 0. So 7 plus 8, so it's not going by 11 also. Okay, 127 is a prime number. Let's take one more example, 151. Now this example I'll tell you including part 1 and part 2. First we will check that whether there is a chance of 151 is of a prime or not. What we do, we check by these two. So divisible by 3, we can clearly see here is it is a yes. So 151 can be a prime number. Now what next? We will check whether it is a prime number or not. So 151 will come under the square of 12, that is 144, and 13, that is 169. So as I told you that you have to take the bigger number and write all the prime numbers less than 13. So 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 again. So start checking. It will not go by 2, it will not go by 3, it will not go by 5. And for 7, let's check. Double 1, kitna hua? 2. So 15 minus 2, 13. It's not going by 7 also. By 11, surely it is not going by 11. So 151 is a prime number. Clear? You all have to check in this way that for 301. You have to check it while you are seeing the video. You have to check in 1 minute or less. Be honest, check your time and tell me in the comment box whether you are able to find out 301 is a prime number. You have to do it by yourself. Identify which are the prime numbers: 83, 197, 441, 823, 1047. So you have to do it now and answer in the comment box. Children, when I see your answers in the comment box, I feel so proud that whatever I'm teaching, you are liking it and you are taking interest in that. So never ever go without giving your thumbs up or your suggestions in your comment box. So how did you like this video? Please write in the comment box and suggest me such more interesting topics and useful topics also for every one of you. Children, this channel is a new channel, so please support my channel by subscribing it, sharing it and like it.